Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your credit card to the Postmates app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and connect your credit card to the Postmates app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Postmates app. Next, click on your profile icon on the bottom right hand corner. Then click on Wallet on the middle hand side. Then click on Add Payment Method. Next, click on Credit or Debit Card. And then this is where you're going to enter your card number, expiration date, zip code, nickname, and currency. Then click on Save. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Postmates app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.